Menteri Rangba Kamegalia o Konrad K. Sangma ula pentep baka sorkar kan pendunano eka por penlep eka boarding lani load shedding hadin bakalayo bani kran bagi company baladap ai kaliang habakran berkilat pathai kubor o Konrad ula itu baka jing penlep eka boarding kan longno tang ar kanta ka sisngi kaban sedang nadu kamed jong ka ar pho tarik kan biya ka por ban penlep on sa pentep da Kamegalia Energy Corporation Limited MEECL o Menteri Rangba ula itu baka jing don kam boarding ha kejela kalong kumba nruspa megawatt kat baka jela kala ban penmi tang kombalai spa megawatt tang naki artili ki project katana umyam bat naleska kapa peni baka jingduna kalong marsiteng hendrai ula benrap bala persang ban pendap daka jingrap jengki jaka penmi boarding ki bedon hakathan chatai lamingi ulai thu bana pedeng ki ne ki baklem sew ka bai boarding ki kenthobi ki karkhana he ki ba pendan kam ki industrial high tension karam baki dei ban sew kalong pelat san puar klur ki ba pendan kam de ki pajba ne ki domestic low tension karam baki dei ban sew kalong saupo punyiwei klur ki jakat rekam ne ki commercial low tension karam bagi de ban sew kolong gumba arpoi klor badkum ju ki donru ne ki we ki jaka bagi de ban sew shaka MEECL haka ju ko por Konrad lo kuntu ye boro ban ye trailang dak basiu rinti ye ka bai boarding khrang ban lain ki jing e ka jing duna boarding.
As I had mentioned to you last week, I had a review meeting for the power scenario in the state, and I had also mentioned to you that we had come out with certain solutions on how to move forward. And I'm happy to inform you that we have been able to come out and finalize the discussions with different agencies, and we will be able to minimize, I should say, the load shedding from tonight itself, and we will be restricting the load shedding to only 2 hours in the night, and that will be it. The exact timings will be decided by MECL, so I will not be able to tell you that. But then, as I said, load shedding has now been reduced to bare minimum of 2 hours, most probably in the night time. That will be most probably after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the night. Apart from that, of course, as you're aware, that many other steps are being taken to ensure that the power scenario overall does improve in the state. And in that regards, of course, there are many things. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them.